This is our bronchoscopic navigation application. It helps doctor plan procedure before they start. Today, I will show you how it works. Here is the login form, so we need an account and password and press login. So first, we need to create a 3D model of the patient airway from CT images. Then we can plan a path for the procedure. The first picture and the second picture, so we need the view airway. A window will open. Here we can select the CT scan file. I can use either DICOM folder or NIFT file. So the nifty. Here is the test dataset, or we can choose the DICOM folder. Here is a dataset from Dr. David, so we can choose this one. Now I click the view airway. You can see the progress bar moving, and the system is processing the CT scan. This takes about 8 to 12 minutes, and the log show the what's happening. The system is analyze the CT scan and creating the 3D airway model. So now we just wait for the progress to complete. Okay, the processing is complete. So the system created several files. Uh, the original CT scan, the airway segmentation, the centralized data. So now we can use these files in the workspace. So I close this window and open existing project. So file, open project. So we can choose some project that is created from the airway builder. So before I started, I choose the best one here. it needs some time to render the CT scan on screen. So here are previews from of CT scan. You can see we have three views. The first one for axial, second one for submutal, the third one for coronal, and the last one for 3D airway. Is the render from the airway segmentation data. We can rotate it to see it from different angle. The yellow color show the airway structure, and we can see the highlight point when we change on the CT scan images. So and the highlight will change synchronously. And so now I will show you how to blend a part. First, I click with a right mouse on the CT view where I can go. So the system shows some picture here. If we want to add this point to the path from the entrance, so we can right click and add point, and we can see if we roll a line from the entrance to the edit point, so we can go inside, for example, and we can add a new point here. We can use the shortcut key like shift and click, and you can see what a new point edit, and the line will connect from the revealed point to the new point. So with that, I will go inside and add new point here, or we can double click to add the new point. Yes. The point bigger, the point is the outside the airway cluster, so we cannot add it, or we can jump to get it. You must make sure you are inside the airway cluster, so we can see the highlight. The highlight color is green, and if we go outside, the highlight color is red, so we can determine where you are now. And you will see the light from the entrance go inside, and here is for example, we can determine this one is target point. So if we want to remove the last point, we can undo, and we can redo to remove or redo the last action. So now we can open the virtual endoscopy. It needs some time to render on the screen. Okay, it completed. So this is the virtual bronchoscopy screen. So on the left side you see the CT view, and on the right you see what the camera see inside the airway. And here is the navigation map, so we can check where we are when we do the endoscopy. So to start navigation, I press the letter T. The camera moves to the entrance of the airway. Now we are ready to navigate. I press the up arrow key to move forward along our plane path. How we move through the airway smoothly. I can also press the down arrow key to move backward if I want to check something again. So now we move forward. It will follow the path on the center line. I can look around using WASD keys. This let me see the airway walls from different angles. Now we can move forward. Okay. There are also an automated navigation feature. I press the letter N. Now the camera moves forward automatically along the path. It is useful for quickly reviewing the plane route. Yes, we finished. So we can go back, and we also adjust the speed here for each step. For faster or lower that I need, I can adjust here. So if I want to automatically go back, I press B key. And if I to pause the navigation, so I press space. Yeah, space. Continue. Okay. We have arrived the target point. And now we go back. We can change the speed here. And we will also see the length of the path from the entrance, and this length from the current point to the target. And we can see on the navigation map, we can determine where we are. Now we are here. The camera is here. Okay, I finished the demo. Thank you.